Hello, Space Fox. How are you doing? How is my favorite Space Fox? Doing awesome. That's good to hear. My neck hurts. I'm getting old. Nah, I'm kidding. I am old. Feels good being back in here. Yeah, it feels good having you back. So, as you know, university and stuff always should come first. But I do like you being around. Okay. I wish I was 27. Well, give me back my 27. No, I'm 31. I'm past 30. But I read something yesterday or 2 days ago, something like that, on Reddit, where someone said, "Hey, I'm 30, which is closer to 20 than it is to 50," which is basically correct. So yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine with that. Oh, but like I said, my neck still hurts. You're almost a newborn. Well, maybe if we're talking about experience while doing blockchain stuff, then maybe. Yeah. Oh yes. Yesterday we started UC bet here. Yeah, that's the thing I'm working on today. Yesterday we worked on Teeworlds, so we made a wallshot only instagib ICTF version. And I started a repository for cross-version instagib servers, so that 0.7 and 0.6 players can play together. So at least every Tuesday is gonna be Teeworlds Tuesday from now on, where we do Teeworlds stuff. Monday is gonna be Minecraft Monday, so those 2 days are pretty fixed. The rest of the week, I'm not sure if I should fixate or keep more flexible. I want to have one day, at least every 2 weeks, where we check out a new language. I want to have one day where we experiment with new technologies. So I also want to do blockchain a bit more. So many things I want to do in so little time. But whatever. Whatever. So, okay, so that's the exercise I want to do today. So basically, that's all the things I want to see. I should actually solve. Partially, they are solved. That's the bonus thing I might solve. I don't know. Yeah, and that's basically what's still left. So gonna move that to another screen. Go to projects, what? Rust, exercises, substrate. Also, I need to find a few people to work with me on the whole Teeworlds thing once it's kind of done, because there's a bit more planned than just having instagib. But that's way into the future, probably, because boy, it's gonna be a lot of work to fix all that. Okay. Just configure something. Or not? Okay. Whatever. So get the Firefox going. The basic problem is prime factorization. So the idea is... Oh, I have a link twice. The basic idea is a user can post a number as a challenge to the blockchain, pay a certain amount of money for that, and other people can propose solutions, and if they have the right solution, they get 80% of the reward and 20% stays. Okay, so they also can set the reward themselves. Also, Red Bull, please sponsor me. Okay, let's go to the node template and make... Is it make build? Okay. It's in pellets, prime. That's not found. Oh yeah. It's not found because I can't type. Make build. I mean, it looks like it compiles now. No errors. Wait, let's hope that I don't run out of space again. Which happened during my technical interview. Just ran out of disk space and the whole system was kind of behaving strangely, but I did fix it, so it's fine. So Spacefox, how's Mindustry coming along? You playing multiplayer or just normal campaign? We're trying to spin up a server. Should I start the server for you? I can start a server for you if you like. Friend wants to do it himself. That's fine. It shouldn't be that. I think it's not that hard. Industry itch. Yeah, so basically just download the server, unpack it, and there should be a shell script. Let me just show you. Okay, it's done. Oh. Move downloads here, make there no, move my industry server into my industry. Okay. So basically unzip the thing, do run server sh, server loaded. Okay, and then you need to, what's the command? Host. Otherwise you can't connect. So just typing host will load the basic thing, and now the server is running and you should be able to connect. That's the basic things you should do. Hey there, hey Renata. So then you can admin add username to add yourself or your friend as a user, as an admin. Admins can not skip, but admins can shorten the time till the next wave. So they can basically say, okay, next wave now. Yeah, so that's the basic things you need to get Mindustry running. Yeah, let him do it. Yeah, that I'm just showing you if you have any questions. It's really easy. Just two things you need to do: start and host, and everything else is server setup. Oh, the compile time is so insanely long again. It's probably gonna fail. It is probably gonna fail. So, what else is up? What are you doing except studying every day? Compiling? Yeah, I need a bigger PC. I need a Threadripper, to be honest. Everything else is not powerful enough. So 64 cores is what I'm looking for. Probably in the summer, I'm just gonna get a new PC. Not a new PC. I'm just gonna get a PC because right now I'm streaming from my gaming laptop. And maybe just rip out everything from my old case and put in a new new mainboard, new CPU, stuff like that, and then we can do. We should be able to compile pretty fast, which is the main thing I need to do anyway. Compiling stuff because it's a programming stream. Okay, thanks for failing. Are we done now? No, we're not. It even takes long to fail, so that's not good. Well. Okay. Small e. Pellets, prime. Let's see if Rust Analyzer is actually able to see through everything. Oh, on another note, SpaceFix, do you have time on the weekend? So either Friday afternoon or some Saturday? You have time, okay. Talk about a bit, talk a bit about stream stuff and so on. If you like. So I don't wanna make you do stuff. But I'm having a few cool ideas and I want to talk to someone about it. Substrate def. Okay, that's good. I also need to fix my my plugin someday. Okay, let's actually write that down. Wait, let's actually make an issue out of that. That's why we have an issue tracker, right? Hey, Fluffy. It's impossible to reconnect on error or okay, that's we're not in German land. This is a small p error or my brain. The plugin should either reconnect an error or when that isn't here. No, not one. Just open the connection, or just open a new connection. Time it needs to send something. Okay. So that's basically how BeaconBot does it. Opening a new connection. The problem is so I have tracked it back, and it's actually not even in the it's not a bug inside the library I'm using. It's I think something not quite correct in the dependency of my dependency, something like that. But I'm not quite sure if it's a bug or not. Okay. It can't be a feature. But sure. Huh? Have I missed something? What do you mean? Am I stupid? Not sure if it's a bug, you said. Oh no, it's maybe it's not a feature, maybe it's just maybe it's just the way it is. I don't know. I have to look into it. Rust Analyzer, why are you showing me this? Can we not? I thought I disabled this thing. No. Come on. CSC config. Where is my cursor? What? Okay, NVIM, whatever. Just reopen. I don't care. Open that again. Okay. Another thing I need to check out right now. GitHub. Liner. Vim run. Async run. So it's just async run in front of it. Okay. It's just async run. It's not in the init. Crap. Don't I already have... config NVIM. Is there an if somewhere? You play now? Nice. If it doesn't run, it's 0. So G use async vrun. Okay. Let G use async vrun. What's the boot directed to? To me or to SpaceFox? SpaceFox is playing Mindustry. Yeah. So let's take that. Let's also take that. My defaults. What? Oh. Come on, Vim. Do what I want, not what I type. Okay, if you're wondering what I'm doing, basically just wanna get the async stuff to work correctly. Cargo format, I think, should not be async. Test, run, that can all be async. That's fine. Okay, so prime, source, lib. Oh, also SpaceFox, have you looked into modding? Have you looked into Mindustry modding? That might be something cool you could do on a stream once, if you like. Isn't there a config in here? Okay, no. What monkey type do you want? Do you want the terminal version? Or do you want the real monkey type online version? Okay. Online? Okay. I need to look there. For the mods? Okay, cycle through them a bit. Go. I think that's good enough, right? Yeah, the keyboard is finally paying off a bit. It's also not always that fast. It depends on what I need to type. And the more special characters I have, the worse I get. So okay, you know what? Let's run the terminal version as well. TCC dot. Now it's gonna probably drop to 0 or something like that. Okay. Where are my numbers? Yeah. So 31 words per minute. Yeah, the thing is, I like the terminal version. I obviously like the terminal version because I sent in pull requests for that, and you all should install it and train with it daily. But because it takes words from the current project, there can be some quite hard to type stuff, hard to type things in there. Okay. I think I'm gonna tomorrow do another Teeworlds stream, probably even. Do a bit more C++. If you would be down for that. Also, another thing I want to do this week, or I've kind of promised Tommy Luca to play Dwarf Fortress. So either we're gonna do Friday or Saturday, probably Friday, and play a session of Dwarf Fortress. No COC action. Oh boy. Use of undeclared challenge. But... or is it because it's called module? No, wait. I'm confused. Mean self should work instead, right? Okay, so there should be where is it? Okay, so next map sets the next map. If you just want to switch to whatever map is next to the pool and don't care about the specific map, you just type game over. Game over will force a game over and reload the next map. Did you mean JS? What is JS? Lol. It's not defined. Why is there a JavaScript interpreter in this thing? Yeah. But isn't the thing... Oh no, it's not called something, right? Storage. Static storage. Okay. It's called challenges. Okay. So something should be challenge. What's wrong with that? Expected colon? You sure? I mean, it's the compiler. Should be sure if there's a syntax error. Something. Is there another something somewhere? Okay. Hey, Fee. Oh, the result is what's missing. Okay, let's see what kind of error we expect. Wait, it doesn't complain? Dispatch error. should complain though. Okay, whatever. No. No. No? Okay. Substrate withdraw reason. Frame support traits. So here we have withdraw reason. We also have config probably. No? Okay, is it a general import? Huh. Oh, by the way, Fluffy, if you like, do you want to help with the C++, the Teeworlds C++ stuff? No, in general. So currently there is GitHub. Is it instagib? Elo? No. Is it Teeworld? It's Teeworld, instagib, Elo. Okay. Thanks for the follow, Farshid. So basically, I have an organization with a currently private C++ code. Private just so that not everyone can run a server. But it can be developed in the open if you want to stream it or something like that. We'll make time for it till Friday. Got a few things to care till then. Oh, no. I'm not talking about the short-term stuff. Existence. I'm not talking about short-term, just in general. If you would be interested in stuff like that. Systems requirement. Yes, it's gonna be a bit. It's gonna be a bit until it's ready. Yeah. Okay. So I do need a T. Right? Maybe I'm missing something. It's just the same thing. It's the same thing though. Why can't I do that? Pub trade I, pub trade I. Wait, so now it works? Wow. Okay, so where did I get this from? So CD frame. Oh, is it the Nyx palette? I think it was the Nyx palette, right? Balance off. Yeah. Okay, so where is config from? Oh, because the trait is named config. That's what's wrong. Okay. And shouldn't that be just as trait? Shouldn't that work? Cannot find associated type currency. Okay. Oh. Okay. That makes sense. So we'll... What? Okay, I'm just stupid again. So let's open temp substrate frame Nyx source lib. Okay. Currency and reservable currency. Okay, so I think I don't need that then. Pardon me. Thank you. Just waking up all the viewers. Thank you. You are too nice. You're all too nice. Okay, currency reservation fee. Do we need a reservation fee? Let's take all of that. Paste it in here. Oh, my bot can't do emotes anymore. My bot isn't subscribed anymore. Yeah. Why do I pay this bot? Right? He's working for me and he's not even subbed. Yeah, should fire him. Get another bot. Okay. Get more bots, emotes no work. Yeah, wait, while we're at it, not VC, VC Hardwocon. So there's gonna be no Bob, no energy anymore, no free emotes. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna leave that in. How can I restrict that? Yeah, Giggle choose and at Bob Champ. S colon. Okay, let's get rid of that. Reload. Reload. Yeah, that's what I mean. The thing. The plugin not working. That should work though. So you've been officially renamed to Awesome Space Fox. I hope that's okay for you. You're growing a beard. I know I should shave. I should absolutely shave. I'm gonna do that tomorrow or today. The thing is now with the good camera, it's you see that better. Oh, there is a brace missing. Embrace the braces. Also, that's basically the most beard I can grow. So hair works added to the game. Yeah, it's all the hair that's missing on top. Okay, so now we don't need that. Reservable currency and on unbalance. That's reservable currency on unbalance. And negative imbalance off. Okay. Okay, where's the negative imbalances off coming from? Oh, that's the thing. It's defined in line. What am I missing? It's all called trade instead. Balance not found. Shouldn't it be balance of T? Something like that? Where's my cursor? Balance of... Balance of balance, okay. Thanks for nothing. Balance of T? Does that work? I mean, when I finally got a green screen, we might just give me hair. Would be fun though. It's not balance off though, right? Is it balance off? It seems so wrong. Hey, what are you complaining about? It's not balance off, right? It's currency. Is it currency? No, it's not currency. That should be the right thing. But it isn't. How do I store a currency? Am I just stupid right now? Wait, no, it's balance off. Okay. Yeah, the whole substrate library is a big blob of black magic. Oh, it's the solution in I'm stupid again. I am just stupid again. Let's see. That substrate serialize. I don't know if it's SERDE based. Okay. Well, that's easy then. Gonna open pellets prime cargo tomo. Here we have no SERDE. Equals. Now, if you've already used Rust and SERDE, there was a time where the derive macro was in a separate crate, and now you just need to do SERDE with the version, type features, and into features type derive, and then you have full derive functionality. So that's the wrong button. Derive, serialize, deserialize. Use SERDE. Oh wait. Serialize, deserialize. No? Is it a separate crate? It is a separate crate. Wow. Okay, if you're dealing with... you're dealing with substrate, what? Okay, that's overwritten. It's decode and encode. So SERDE can go. And what version are we on? No version. It's probably also version 2. Crates. Not found. Yeah, it's also version 2. Everything is version 2. Okay, have fun. Default features false. Version is 2.0.0. So that's... Oh. Palette balances and parity scale product. Oh, why did I close it? Okay, now it works. Oh. Rust Analyzer doesn't complain, for once. I haven't bound this. Okay. PC. That's not good. I already have C open defined. Okay, so same thing as always. Just me not thinking properly. Okay, Serta is gone now. And we obviously need to include our types. Otherwise it won't work. So that's use parity scale, encode, decode. What do you mean unused? right here. Do I need a debug? Shouldn't need a debug. Come on, I'm doing exactly what you want me to do. Am I missing something? Is this a feature? Do we need to get a feature involved? One button. I do need to get a feature involved. Oh, come on. What? So I should be able to do features. Features arrive. And that should be it. Still running. Okay. Then just might build. Oh wait. Let's do it like that. Make sure nothing is running. Okay, storage is looking good. €10, not so bad, right? Huh? Am I stupid? I mean, I know the answer is yes, but... We need... Do we need that? No. Yes? It's still not there. Could you have an example somewhere? Parity scale example. Okay. Substrate def. There is a recipes thingy. Okay. Oh wait, can this even do enums? Don't I have a substrate folder anymore? Oh. Recipes. Struct storage. Oh, C palette, CD, struct storage. Okay, it's just with derive. And here it's just standard. That's basically what I have. Derive is just the standard. Okay. Now why is it in frame support? Okay. Codec. Encode, decode. Okay. Oh. So the next thing we should check out. Currency types. Hey Beamstream. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, how's it going? How was your day? Are you as confused as I am right now? I hope not. He probably is. Okay, I'm thinking about taking a short break and switching to C++, C++ Teeworlds Development right now, because my brain is about to burst, I think. Been alright, work has so many meetings, oh boy. And I'm since working on Diesel RS. There is a cool Diesel RS. Let's see if I find it. There is a meme, a Rust meme about diesel errors. I can't find it. Oh, let's see. Lol. So no. It's not people hating it because it's an ORM. Diesel is extremely nice, but if you mistype, you're getting 500 pages of errors, which isn't cool. That doesn't mean that Diesel is bad. It's just that the errors it generates are, let's call it C++ like. So if you've seen the billion of lines C++ errors, that's basically what Diesel can output. But it's still nice though. Yeah. I mean, SQLX is quite popular, I think. True. So that's basically not an ORM, it's just a query which checks your SQL syntax. But if you're opting for Diesel, that's fine too, I think. Don't think there is a problem with that. I don't think there's a problem with something for once. So okay, like I said, I'm gonna take a short break, then we'll switch to C++. Do a bit traitor programming and hope to get something done there. Okay, I'm gonna answer that when I'm back. Be right back. And I'm back. Hello, Sergio. How are you doing? So I was about to switch from blockchain to C++ stuff because my brain is melting. Just quick. You repair some bugs in your program? That's nice. Always those pesky bugs. Okay, the title is now updated. So what kind of bugs did you have? Were it big bugs, small bugs, cute bugs? Hard to debug bugs? Also, what's your program written in? If you don't mind me asking, do you program in Rust as well? Or do you program in something else? Okay, GitHub, myself, Teeworlds, I think. Welcome back, Fluffy. Yeah, I just switched to C++. We're doing Teeworlds again. Yeah. It's so much work. I don't wanna. Okay, let's actually start. So the reason why it's so much work is there are basically a few. Seen your Twitch plugin for NVIM. Could you show me how to use it? I think it's amazing. Yeah, it also has a bug right now. So basically, if you have it installed, or let's go to the page. GitHub, Hardliner, NVIM Twitch chat. Okay. So I already reported my own issue. You need to set these 3 values. So you need to generate your token, which can be done here. You need to generate type in your Twitch name and your the Twitch channel you wanna have. Then you need to install the binary. That means you need to have Rust installed, and then you can just install the plugin with plug. Okay. Once that's done, the one thing you can do is, for instance, let's say, do Arctic, Control SN for send line, which sends the whole line. What's the other one? Okay, then if you have visually selected something, it's Control SV for send the selected stuff, and you can do Control SK, which just opens a buffer. And if you close the buffer with escape, it will send everything that's in the buffer. So that's the basic usage. You can also rebind those. Then there are a few settings you can do. That's just the scratch window. If it should be at the top or at the bottom. If you set auto send to 1, pressing escape will not send, but will put you into normal mode. And it will wait until you quit out of that. Oh yeah, it also has autocomplete. Thanks for the follow, Sergio. So yeah, it is. So if you do Control S, Control K, and I type, let's say, shout out. Huh. Why is that not working? Control space. Control space, okay. And it will autocomplete people in your chat that have written since you opened the plugin. But I'm probably gonna remove that feature because it's not working very well with all the other stuff. There's also... is that on my GitHub already? Probably not. No. Okay, let's upload something before we start. There's another tool I have which is called Twitch Send. Basically that. So Rust, Twitch Send, add the remote, change the branch, push to main. What? Oh. So while that's... Okay. It's here now. Where's my NVIM stuff? NVIM. Edit, take all of that, create a new README, that's gone, that's gone, there are no settings, there are no bindings. There is no plug installation. that's all the same. Twitch send. Command line tool to send. Send messages to your Twitch chat. So that's all the same. Run dash Twitch send hello Twitch. Let's try that. Twitch send hello Twitch. Okay, so it works. I wanted to publish it for a long time already. Oh, it's... Is it also called... It's also called NVIM Twitch channel. That's not good. Okay, I don't care about that right now. And readme git pusu, not pusu, git push. So if you have something else, something other than NVIM, and you want to have something, some similar functionality, you can use the Twitch send command instead. ls cd cpp instagip. Okay, now we're ready. Now that's ready as well. Clear. That's gone, that's gone. Hey Togglebit, how's it going? How was your 78-hour stream? Are you still streaming? It was long. I'm so frazzled. Toggle stream grinder, yeah. I can confirm that. Had to stop, was like being drunk in the end. Okay, I can't use my Vim bindings inside of Firefox. Yeah, don't. I mean, 12-hour streams as a special once in a while or something like that are cool, but don't do too many of them. They aren't worth it. No, I don't mean Vimium. I mean my special keybinds I did for NeoVim don't work. You know, I don't think I'll do this again in a while. Yeah, like if you do New Year's, a New Year's stream and you do 12 hours, or Christmas for the people who stream on Christmas, or maybe if you do birthday stream or something like that, that makes sense. But everything else. Okay. Can't do when's your birthday. You're gonna do. You can't do a 12-hour stream when it's my birthday. You have to do a 12-hour stream when it's your birthday, right? It has to be something special for your viewers, not for mine. My birthday is in June, by the way. Okay. Game. games. No, let's start with variables. I think that's the easier one. Hey, Cat Peasant. Toggle, he's nice. Toggle is nice and everywhere. Yeah. Toggle does help, though. I'm already way more relaxed than I was 5 minutes ago, just because Togglebit joined. Okay, source game server variables. Where are my variables? Oh, just source game variables. You've toggled the relax bit, that's true. If you have any questions about C++ or Teeworlds modding, feel free to ask, okay? So is there still a warm-up? No. You have a question, what is faster, C++ or Rust? That depends. Don't have a sub anymore for you, Tiger, but I wanna earn money. You get a sub. Well, if you show up tomorrow, I can give you one. That's not true, Fluffy. It depends. Sometimes Rust produces faster C++ code because it can optimize more aggressively. Okay, should we do all configs or pull them in as we need them? It was sort of a trolly question. Used to get a lot in the past. You just decided to answer yes. I mean, if I get the question 10 times a day, I'll probably answer yes as well. Let's face it, Cobalt beats everything, period. Where are my mods? Can you ban him, please? No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Don't ban him. Well, I mean, if someone asks about Python versus Rust, the answer is clear. If the question is Python versus Rust C++, the answer is obviously Visual Basic. Right? Right. It's good that we agree on that. That's totally what you meant. Okay. Benz, I am hardliner for going against the Church of Cobalt. Wow. What's faster, Rust or Arctic Space Fox? Replying to messages? Rust. Being awesome? Arctic Space Fox. So it's kind of evens out. I mean, I would be afraid of Cobalt developers, but they're all like 90 or something like that. So what are they gonna do? Okay, let's just take all. Let's take all of it. Tommy has been active. I mean, haven't you given him about 1 billion points or something like that? So there is a warm-up. There is a message of the day. There is a tournament mode. I think Hardliner has put a sub-1 multiplier for my points. What do you mean? Have you tried talking more? Yeah, let's all give Arctic Space Fox our points. No, just be an active talker. Should be enough. Okay, what? Where was I? Warm up, message of the day. Team damage. Let's input team damage. Next is everything until tournament mode. Spam protection is here. Respawn delay, we need that. I do talk. Wait, no screaming. You earned them with kindness, wow. That's too nice. It's after the spam protection, so we don't get confused. Do I have points as well? 700 points, okay. Now they're gone. Toggle is right, you earned them with kindness. Spectator slots is here. Team balance time. Not here. Nice. Someone has some points for Cat Peasant. Someone offered $1,000 in my stream to write the Python script. That's cool. Did you take the $1,000? Did you ask if you could stream it? That should be the first question. So the very first question you ask is... The very first question is, can I stream working on the script? Oh, okay. Strict spectate mode. Vote kick min ban type. Okay, that's fine as well. Don't give. Oh boy! Don't give points to the bot. The bot doesn't need them. I told them we could teach them Python if they wanted to do it. Yeah. You're not abusing. You're just you're destroying points. Wow. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's your points. I don't care what you do with them. It's completely fine for me. So we will put our stuff here. That's not our stuff. Copy all of that, please. Insert. I took a day off on Friday. We'll be streaming 2 p.m. GMT. Nice. Erlang would be cool. Hey, Yasmin. So, stats file, lol text, grenade, antifreeze, killing spree. All of that. We need all of that. All of that and even more. So let's go to project, C++, instagib, build. Why are you complaining? Is there something double? New stream. You weren't doing raster data. You're too popular for me. Wasn't that a raid? Wasn't that a raid from me? Didn't we just was that the Angular stream? Could it be? Maybe I'm wrong. Where is redeclaration? It probably was. Okay, got it. Why is it a redeclaration though? Okay, then let's ignore it for now. It's cool to try various languages, enjoy it, but sometimes it becomes train wreck on stream. Yeah, so if you're trying something new, it can go downhill pretty fast. Chat threshold. Because you're not actually knowing what you're doing. Whoa, why would they be duplicates there? It's very brave of you to try it on stream. That's true. I have no idea why I get duplicate warnings. Okay, time for fixing things. Server. Okay. I go even one step further. I don't even read up. I just find an expert in the chat to yell at me until it compiles. Yeah, that's what I do when something in Vim breaks. It just stays broken until Togglebit joins, and then I'll drop it like, oh, why can't Vim do X, for instance? Togglebit will fix it for me. That's my basic strat. Then I want an ad hoc Stack Overflow with me. Now you're doing C++, so now I'm lost. Ask away. Please do ask away. Everything you don't know, someone else might also not know. And I'm happy to explain everything. Even if I probably don't know everything, I'll happy to try to explain everything. Okay, source, game, server, entity. There is a proximity radius here, which is private, which shouldn't be private. Can you explain the meaning of life? 42. That's easy. No, the meaning of life is basically to learn Rust and be Rust developer for life. Or what Togglebit says. What is the M notation? Okay, so that's basically in C++. That's the true meaning. In C++, that's just a coding convention for member. I know it's kind of stupid, but it is what it is, and I'm not going to change coding conventions in the middle. So the whole M underscore means this is a member of something. Like if it's like this, that's a function. M is a member. Yeah. That's probably everything notation-wise in here. They also have the P for pointers. So that's a member, P is a pointer, and then it's the name. Okay. The hardest thing is, I think, is gonna be the whole bringing the whole ICTF mod into the server, because we basically took another code base which has all game mods removed except for one, and now we're trying to put one of the game mods back in, just because the code base is the best feature-wise. I've updated the typing game, by the way, so now it doesn't start the timer until you type the first character. However, monkey. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, I really don't care about monkey type if we improve the typing game that much. Wouldn't you know it's a pointer since it's a star? No, that's the same. That's basically it's basically just a convention. Okay, so if you have an IDE or something like that that will display you the type, it's probably fine. But some developers prefer to prefix pointer stuff with P and non-pointer stuff not with P, just so it's easier if you're working with Notepad or plain NVIM or something like that where you don't see the types. So if I Let's see. I mean, most of this should be encapsulated in functions, I think. Like that. But the thing is, if you would access that somewhere in the code, you wouldn't know it's a pointer unless you look. Okay, now it builds again. That's good. Let's fix the next thing. Now that's where the hard part starts. Fixing the game mode. C make list. Game modes. It's basically ICTF. And see what breaks. Everything breaks. Oh god. Why? What? How? Game server does not contain every file from directory. What? Source, game, server, game modes. Oh, it's called CTF. Why does it compile? The basic quest. That's basic question in life is why does it compile? Okay, game, server, game, world. No, not game world. Game context. CPP compilers are good. You're suspicious about successful compilation. Yup. Oh, that's... We need to remove all those casts. It's gonna be so much work. Oh no. Can you tell that I do not like having so much work? But it's always the teams, right? Yeah, so it's always the teams. That means I can take the game controller. Game controller. .h. I can take the game modes ddRace.h. Get teams. Just paste that in here. Delete it out of here because it's not needed. Delete that. Go to public. Paste that. It's probably so wrong what I'm doing. Now let's open the DD-Race CPP. Game controller CPP. Right? Okay. That's gone now. Talk about colon WA is right, all right. Wait, couldn't I do? Yeah, okay. Save all buffers. Nice. Break! Thank you. Save team does not name a type. What are you talking about? I haven't even changed this file. If you do set RO for a buffer, it won't save. Ah, read only, okay. Wait, is Rust Analyzer trying to run in CPP, or do you have a motion for Rust Analyzer that isn't tied to file type? Huh? You mean the unknown type stuff? That's not Rust Analyzer, that's COC. You saw Rust Analyzer try to do something. Oh, that thing. So if I press space H, it will disable the inlay hints. Yeah, I just pressed that on accident. Okay, is there a COC C? Have you tried any CPP LSP? I mean, COC should do that just fine. You can bind it to file types. Sure, it's no big deal though. Oh, okay. Why do we need to set it up? So much work. Can it just do the thing? Can they just do the right thing for me? What? I tried taking up Clang D with CSC, works in a basic way. You are there. Maybe he's happy to see himself. Okay. Holy crap. You know what? We'll just ignore the problem. Pasted code to Togglebit and he was like, nope, I'm out. Let's check it out. I thought you're sending us cool code and instead we're getting a heap corruption. I was replying to an email again. Okay. Press the wrong thing. So game server. What? I'm in a half go here. Yeah, after 24 hours of streaming. Need to do something with my NVIM colors. Yeah, just use mine. Okay, source game server. Something with S. Score. Was it score.h? Yeah. 85. 85. C-save team. Somehow think that that's what I need to do. Build the defaults. I mean, like, mine, easy on the eyes and all, but they feel like something is missing. Or too sterile. Okay. Don't know. Oh. I mean, they're pretty cool, right? Mancy Boy with the rate of 2. Hello, how are you? Yeah, that's not colorful enough for me. Okay, so selective duplicate. We're doing C++ because I want to contribute to. I want to make a mod for Teeworlds, and basically C++ is where it's at. So we're gonna do that. It's fine. I'm hard, but you would love my gray scheme then. Yeah, I also the background in my NeoVim was a bit brighter, and we messed around with that. Okay, save. Where is save team from? First time streaming after a few months, and I missed it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh boy. I do have the notification though. I think somewhere. Yeah. Can we do that? If you like German streams. Or are you streaming in English then? These days I can't differentiate among streamers all using terminals and minimalist setups. That's actually true, yeah. Wait. Let's see, where does that come from? The game is an English game. Yeah, but if you don't stream in English yourself... It's in save. Wait. Wait. Save is included. What? You have to measure them by varying levels of lacking personality in that case. Yeah. So I still haven't cargo installed my personality. So you have to deal with what it is right now. I'm sorry. But at least we got a mascot, right? At least we got a Bob going. Here it is. Yeah, so if you're streaming in English and you're on after me, depending on what you stream will moderate. Minimalist is using default Vim settings, no airline or syntax highlighting. That's minimalism with boldface letters, minimalist nevertheless. I don't care about minimalism, so let's get that out of the way. Wait, what am I searching? C-Save team, okay. C-Save team. It is here though. C-Save team does not name a type. Okay, but you're wrong. Come on, compiler. It's very kind of you. Yeah, no problem. I should start streaming from my phone, where I open and close applications, install and uninstall applications should be revolution somewhere. Do it. Do it. What about your Minecraft Madness server? That's Mondays. I want to work Mondays on that. I want to work Tuesdays on the Teeworlds stuff. And today, because my brain is already at its breaking point, we switched from blockchain to C++. Because it should be just fixing stuff that breaks. And now it breaks and I don't know why. C-Save team. Because I need, no, it's not that I need to swap to C++. I need to swap to something other than blockchain for the day. It's fine. It just was a stressful day. I'm pretty familiar with the Teeworlds code base, so. But I'm not familiar with why it's not working. Let's build again until it works, right? That's how stuff goes. $101. That's the wrong file. $101. Switch to filthy casual REST API dev like me. No, we need to do the low level stuff. It isn't even low level. I'm still not quite sure why it's failing here. Actually makes no sense. Because we do have the type. Is it in a namespace? No. It's probably something to do with include order. So we had... Yeah, it is. It is. Make build, missing system lib, make build, missing system lib, make build, conflicting system lib, version make build. Yeah, that's basically it. As much as I love languages, I get flopped every time. Yeah, I do not like C++. Okay, so I'm never gonna like the language. But it, like I said, it is what it is. So we'll just have to deal with that. Okay, I need that here for the M type, M teams, which is inside of the team stage. IDEs like VR security creator to lessen the pain somewhat. That's true. That is true. I mean, we could just do code. Make everyone angry. Let's see if VS Code actually tells us where the error is. That would be cool. So we're in score.h. Come on, VS Code, do your magic. You know what to do, right? Tell me where my problem is. I mean, IntelliJ is top notch for everything, right? Code has CMake tools extension, maybe you could give that a go. I used CLion on Windows for Rust development because of the debugging and stuff. That's true. It's because it's written in Java and not in Rust. Okay, that also doesn't tell me what's wrong. I mean, he probably doesn't even know what's wrong, which is understandable. Is that Git? Oh, it's changes. Oh, come on. So VS Code doesn't help. VS Code does not help. Oh, that's the wrong resource game server. teams. Building Go applications is a breeze, assume Rust Cargo is the same. Yeah, but Go has other problems in my opinion, so it's not that simple. But Go makes cross-platform really easy. There is, what's it called? Go XC, something like that. Don't know if that's still active, but when I was okay, so it's already almost 10 years old. But when I tried Go cross-compiling, Go XC just builds every possible version of the binary you might want. So you type in Go XC and you get 20 binaries, which you can just deploy to any platform, which is really cool. But Rust sadly isn't quite there. So that includes core.h. Are we X yet? Yeah. Aren't you C++ pro Space Fox? Does not name a type. Why does it not name a type though? What? Why doesn't it name a type? That makes no sense. Okay, let's go to 101. Okay, that's the line that's not working. And it's defined in save.h. So let's take save.h. Okay. And it's called save team. So we do see save team. And it's already here, it's already predefined. Scope is another pain in the floor, linkage and all that stuff, that's true. Save team. So we do have a class here. Why does it tell me it's not defined? Oh. Why C++? Why? Okay, let's see if we can... CMake build with Lang. Does that work though? Let's see if Clang gives me something to work with. See if it's actually using a class member variable before the code actually finds the class implementation. I mean, I haven't touched anything in there. So it's not like I've touched something in that file. I just touched some random other file. But I will check it out. The other one is CXX. Okay. That's ++. That's CXX. Let's make again and get the same error. Good, good, good. That's good, that's good. It's good, it's not good. Get, check out. Gonna do the wait. Let's check what we actually did. So we commented out the flag stuff, that is fine. Entity.h, we moved that to public, which was fine. The game controller now initializes the teams variable. The game controller.h now defines the teams variable. The DD race class now doesn't define the team's variable anymore and doesn't initialize it anymore. That's the variable stuff. We do not care about that. And that's it. Oh wait, let me source game server game mode CTF H. Do we have the teams in here? Yeah, we do. Okay, let's try removing it from here as well. Game mode CTF. That could actually be the problem. How do I delete the set minus D? E? Yeah, E. And CXX. Okay, it was not the problem. Actually using a class member variable before the code finds the class implementation. But shouldn't that be another error then? Hey Mywan, thanks for the follow. How are you doing today? How was your day? Did you do C++ programming as well? Score 85. Score 85. But it is defined. Is namespace incorrect? I don't think they use namespaces. I don't think there is namespace used in this game. Well, at least not in those parts we're in. Yeah. So there are namespaces in other parts. That's a bit error on line 101. This one? Server DD raise comments. Yeah, I know, but I have no idea what it means. Server DD raise comments. H or CPT? H. I've had 389 channel points forever now. I think you're watching with the Xbox, right? So it should actually increase. Tommy Luco found out that if you're not connecting to the Tommy Luco found out if you don't open the stream window on your PC. Yeah, so you have to be connected to the stream, then you get points for a certain amount of time. You stole that idea from Togglebit. How do I explain that? How do I explain that badly? How do I explain that badly in a somewhat kid-friendly manner? I mean, the obvious question is it though? I need to think about that a bit more. I mean, it obviously has to do with the saltiness of the water. So that the dolphins is just lives in the water, just thrives in the salt water, and C++ would not. C++ is bare metal, and bare metal would rust. So the only thing that can live in the seawater are the dolphin's peen and rust, obviously. Rust thrives in salt water, yeah. Okay, we should not change the game context too much, I think. Yeah, I just wanted to copy it. Come on, okay, Fluffy, help me. You're the C++ pro. You know what I should do. I have an error on line 101. What is wrong? Please tell me. Control Alt Rust. What I want to do? I want to compile. Class name does not name a type in C++. Blah blah. Okay. A cyclic dependency. Okay, how do I find... Oh, I know how I find it. You have so many errors, I'm scared. I only have 3 errors. What do you mean? So, git diff again. I moved one declaration. I moved teams. I moved teams from the DDNet game controller into the game controller itself. That means that somehow the game controller uses something that uses teams, which uses the game controller again? What? Broke dolphin. Wow. Thanks for clipping that. That's exactly the kind of content I wanna have in my clips. Okay. But that's stupid. What are the files involved? Game modes DD race and game controller.h. So game, no, what am I typing? Source game server game modes DD race, which is big. Is it the CPP? No, it's the H, right? Yeah, it's in the ddres.h. So I removed it here and I added it into the game controller. The reason I did that was because DD race inherits from the game controller, and so I do not have to type that twice. Okay, that means I can close that. Didn't want to close that. Close that. Close all of that. Okay, now we'll open the file in question. Source game server teams.h. This opens the game context, the score, the team's currently config. Let's open the game context. Game context opens the game world, but not the game controller. Let's get the game world going. It's the game core. Okay, that means I should maybe able to do class is it just the game team stuff? Hey Vakla, we're doing C++. That should tell you everything. Class yank invert back shift paste $d whatever, let's try it. What's the worst that could happen? Incomplete type C game types. Okay, now it doesn't get included anymore. I had 2 of them, yeah. But I don't know how it went, so sadly no answer yet. I feel quite well here. I have also applied to a few cool other open source companies. And can't see all of the error. But the class where you're using the type is compiled before it's actually defined. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Got another cool email. Should be target. Yeah. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea. If some of you want to check out the code, tell me. I can send you the zip inside. I can send you the zip in Discord if you want to check with me. So. What's this code for? Oh. Isn't it something like that? Well, gotta go. I need eternal sleep. Depression getting worse. Oh, I'm sad to hear that. I hope it gets better a bit after sleeping. Happy bug hunting. Thanks. Let's just forward declare the type. There to satisfy the compiler. Okay, wait a second. Wait just a second. Instagip. Be gone build. Yeah, have a good night, selective duplicate. Sleep well. Get a good night of rest. Tar it again. Do class that thing before the container class. Let's just catch up. What is the code for? Okay, I'm gonna show you. No, I do quite like bug hunting sometimes. I do. I think it's nice. I mean, C++ is a pain. Yeah, that's obviously true. I love bug cutting in C++. I'm a masochist, by the way. I do believe you. Okay, so let's remove a few things. All C++ devs, just as what it should be. Gonna lift some weights, exercise. I shall see you next time. Okay, have fun exercising. I should do that as well. To me, system programmers are like the alpha. So the Rust programmers, right? Finally? Are you happy to be an alpha? CPP, when did we switch? About an hour ago? No, finally monkey type. Oh, did you? Did you? I didn't even hear that. Okay. Took me ages. Your choice. Do you want to have a command line monkey type, or do you want to have a monkey type monkey type? What kind of monkey type do you like? Command line? I'm gonna do command line. Let's do tcc dot with strict mode. Wow. That's not nice. Doesn't work. Sorry. Still doesn't work. No code for... Oh, 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 oh. No. No. Almost 30 words a minute. This is painful to watch. What do you mean? It was perfect. That's the spaces, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. If you skip in general, so in not strict mode, if you skip a word, it should obviously count all of the letters as an error. But if you skip in non-strict mode and go back, it shouldn't count all of them as errors probably, right? Because you need to go back anyway. Right? So it's just... I have an idea. I don't have an idea. I had an idea, but it was stupid, so I... What if you should not count skipping a word and mistakes, just as skip though? Yeah, the thing is, if you have 10 words and you press the first word of every key, of every word, the first character of every word and press space, you have one right and one false for every word. Yeah, the thing is, if we are always... Okay, mate, I have another idea. Let me write that down. So key presses versus characters. Let me think about that. Key presses versus characters. You can do... Can you send, please? Yeah, so you can do just that. Wait, no, that's also not right. Just wait. Dash git in there. So that should be the thing. Now you can just install it. But it would be cool if you would publish it on crates, right? There is a tool called cargo release. Can you make a PR adding yourself as an author to the game? I will ask Bear to do the same. I mean, I can do that. I don't think it's necessary though. I'm fine with not being an author. Cargo. Publish? No. So it is cargo release. Okay. Let's go to crates and find it here. Cargo release. Right? Right. Go to get cargo release, and this thing will automatically tag everything you need. Tag your repository, commit the tag and everything, and publish. I think there's a typo in the readme. Shouldn't -t, where it can be -w. Yes. Okay, what the code is for. So there is this game called Teeworlds. No, not Teeworlds, friends. Teeworlds.com. Okay, which is basically a 2D shooter, and there's also DDNet. Is that what that's called? Just making sure, yeah. So there's DDNet, which is basically the maintainer of one of the biggest mods for Teeworlds. And I'm trying to recreate the instagib capture the flag server based on the DD-Race source code, because they already have code to make their servers work with the old 0.6 and the new 0.7 versions. So if I'm getting this done, we would have a unified instagib server, which both player bases could use, which would obviously benefit everyone. And when that's done, there are a few projects I want to do. The first thing I want to do is the instagib safe server. Instagib safe is basically you play ICTF, but there is no winning, it's just playing. And it stores all your points and captures and times and kills and everything. Okay? So I think like 10 years ago, something like that, when I played pretty actively, that was the main server where everyone was waiting for others to join and invite them to matches. When that's done, another thing I want to do is to have an actual ELO server. That's why the whole thing is called instagib ELO. Where we'll make a whole ELO ranking system for people who want to play like that, who want to play more competitively. And I also want to try something where you start out in a lobby in the safe server and can do matchmaking in there and get automatically transferred to other servers. Yeah. So that's basically what we're doing. The thing I did right now was to mirror the DDNet sources, and now I'm trying to transfer the instagib mod, because DD-Race, it's a cool mod. They did cool things, but basically the Teeworlds devs always said we do not support mods. Okay, so Teeworlds is pretty easy to mod, the base version. But the original developer always said he does not support mods, he does not care about mods, he wants the base game to be popular and not the mods itself. DD-Race basically said, okay, if that's the way you want to play, we don't care about vanilla, and they just split off. So for a very long time, I think it's changing currently, but for a very long time, the DDNet devs just didn't contribute back. And they just wouldn't talk with each other. It was all out war on which is better, the old 0.6 or the new 0.7 version. But now they finally managed to get cross-version support running, so the same server can be on both versions at the same time, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and that's what we're doing. Also, the source for the I wanna split that up basically, and once the instagib stuff is done, can you say all of that again? Wow. You can check out the VOD if you want to see that again. What did I want to say? Yeah, so basically if the first part is done and we integrated instagib, I'm gonna release that. I'm gonna push that to a public repository, and the ELO server will be on the private repo. Not because I care about people stealing my code, but I do not want multiple save servers running. So we already have too many servers for people to play on, and I don't want people... I don't want to split the community even more, so that one person goes to this save server, another one goes to this save server, and then you have 2 players there, and 2 players there, and 2 players there, or something like that. I want to have the lobby full. I want to have 16 players in there, or something like that. So... But I'll probably release the source code once I do not host them anymore and do not maintain them anymore. But for now it's gonna stay private, but I still will publicly stream it. So if you record everything and want to do the same work I do, you can absolutely copy it. I do not care about that. Just don't start hosting. Just don't start hosting the things. Okay, git diff, that's what we were talking about. I probably lost Fluffy in the meantime. With all the talking about different stuff than C++. You did? I did not? I kept the viewer for once. That's crazy. Hi, Tommy Luca. I found some fluff. Okay, so that's the changes I did. Okay. I basically... Okay, I made that public in entity.h. That shouldn't mean anything. I'm up since about 2 hours. Only slept like 1. 1 hour sleep is not that much, Joe. Should get more. Okay, back to my problem. I basically removed the m_teams variable and the game server teams include in the game modes dd race files and moved them 1 layer up directly into the game controller. Why? Why did I do that? It's a good question. I can answer that. Now I didn't want to screw up my sleep pattern, that's why I'm fighting another hour or 2. Yeah, that sounds sensible. Why did I do that? Game context? Probably? Am I missing? Okay, so basically in the whole game context there's this cast everywhere. Okay? And I want to get rid of this cast. That's the thing I want to do. That's the thing I want to do. That's what started this all, because instead of having 1 game type now, I'm gonna have 2 game types. Wait, I'm not having 2 game types. I'm just being an idiot. If it's everywhere, you're probably gonna have a hard time. Yeah, the thing is, I absolutely do not need to do that. I've been an idiot to show up. Okay, so git check out. What are we reverting? The game controller stuff. I always press a C instead of a U. And the 2dd race files. Check out. I've added user favorite on my stream selector. Are you talking about me or Togglebit? Because Togglebit I can understand. So, both of you. Oh, that's very nice. I don't think I've earned it, though. But you're getting removed if you don't explain. I do explain. So do not worry. I just don't wanna lose my train of thought. Okay, let's get rid of those two. Choo 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 woo woo. Wow. What's a binky? I do not know what a binky is. Okay, let's move that to be that now. And let's move that to be that now. It's... And then I want to hear why it's from DF and talk about it, wants to know it too. It's my thing, Winky. Ah, okay. Thank you. Got it. So, now. Let's find ddRace.h. We're gonna replace all of the ddRace.h's with CTFs. Because that's what heroes do. The CTF.h. Okay. Next. No, not dot. Next dot. Pinky is also the name for the happy jump. For the happy jump bunnies make. Okay. I'm learning new things every day. Next dot. Save. It's probably an easier way to do that, but I'm too brain flow up today. I will find a pointless video and share. Yeah, please do. Please do. Next dot. Wait, I don't need to save actually because I now know WA. Explain badly why I still didn't stream Dwarf Fortress. All the dwarves are out of town. I'm sorry, I couldn't gather them. I invited all of them and told them to gather in my room to play some Dwarf Fortress, but that's how dwarves are. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I tried to give them alcohol, but they just wouldn't wanna come. They just don't like you. Yeah, those bearded bastards just don't like me. It's like Sumis, but less Sumi. No, there is Dwarf Fortress planned this week. I've talked about it on this very stream today. That we will play Dwarf Fortress this week. You probably just had a water bottle in your house. They saw it, was scared to get near that. Boonies does zoomies as well. They go nuts when they're happy. True. No, we're not gonna play an SC. Sorry. I don't know. Either on Friday. So we're not gonna do a programming stream on Friday, or we will do a split thing where we do Dwarf Fortress and programming on Friday. Or on Saturday, something like that. But no SC. I wanna know what's going on. Sorry for that. Save again. Make. "24 hours stream for the streaming coming." No. I'm not gonna do 24-hour streams. Need to figure out when to install IKEA Linux. Yeah, didn't you say you want to do it on Saturday? IKEA Linux is obviously the best name for Arch Linux ever. Apparently, CDO present as search and replace to CHE is the command you want to search replacing the quick list. What? So, do I do that in the quick list itself? Yeah, IKEA Linux is the best name ever. Is my hard drive full again? Oh, it's not. Oh, because I removed the directory earlier. Okay. Gentoo is as easy as Arch. I don't know. Like I said, I've installed Gentoo once because I wanted to go to do some OS stuff, but yeah, didn't work out the way I like it to. Okay, so now we're still having 10 minutes left. Gentoo might as well be Ubuntu. Yeah. What do you want with those newbie Linux stuff? We use real man Arch Linux. By the way, no. I shouldn't talk about real man stuff if I can't even grow a good beard. I already told Bear Cool Cow says Muma not to listen to you if you mention and spawn. Could just install my 98 rather than watch myself struggle because it doesn't have the right drivers for anything in existence again. What do you mean Manjaro isn't Arch? Manjaro is Arch++. Which in turn means that Arch is Manjaro --. Think about it. Only because following the instructions is the best start. True. Real men use nspawn. I have no idea what nspawn is. I think I've already said it. Real men use some piece of metal to poke their CPU. He has to use chroot to not get too confused. Nspawn is Tommy Lucas' way to chroot. System D thing. What? Are we gonna compile successfully? I think we'll do. Okay. So now we basically just renamed the file to CTF, because if you think about it, I don't need the original game mode, right? I do not care about the original game mode. Namespace containers. Okay. I use system D the way it's meant to be used. I mean, did you ask system D about that? If it actually consents to it being used that way? Maybe system D doesn't want to be used that way. Have you considered that? Probably didn't. Edit, source, game. I'm going to cancel myself now and go to bed. Well, I'm done in a few minutes too, so I'm going to use not system D, the Arch one. Yeah, sleep well, Togglebit. You're on tomorrow after that long stream? Are you still gonna stream tomorrow? You are? 12-hour stream again? Server, game modes. Normal length stream. Okay, got it. Well, honestly, use system D, nothing wrong with it. It's a good way to handle your system. I heard system D was bloated, so system bloat D. So let's quote plus yank in word. System D System D doesn't use more resources than most OpenRC installs. Yeah. I mean, OpenRC is just a kiddie version of System D, right? If System D was a TV show, it would be £1,000 discovery. Actually, a lot of people using OpenRC are so clueless that they blow up the systems more than by just using System D. Yeah, so System D is System D is the way to get Tommy Luca riled up. Control. Let's replace stuff. That is gonna be game controller CTF. Just wanted to clarify things, just to avoid misinformation if a newbie see. Yeah, that's fine. We already talked about it off stream. I do agree with you there. It's completely fine to do that, and you should do that. I'm glad you do, because I can't. I have absolutely no idea. So CPP. Do the same replace again. Okay, the same replace again. Now. Okay, now let's see where it's used. Crash, please. Thanks a lot. Holy crap. DD race chat. Okay, only DD race chat for now. Edit source game server DD race chat. I'm a newbie by giving me misinformation. I mean, I love to joke about bloated stuff like NVIM. Rust is like Python without classes. What the hell is going on? Rust is just another C. Wow. Okay. Rip forward tackle. Wait until pattern matching pep is in and you'll be right. I want every language to get pattern matching. I want every language to get rusted. So stop. There is no ruining my stream. No, I do. I like it. I like it. Erase comment CPP. Didn't I just open that? Oh, it's the erase chat I opened. Rust needs forward packets, headers in R files. Erase comments and replace again. That is simply not true. Just the fact you would say so makes my blood boil. The triggering is real, so get a PM to cancel me. I mean, as long as it's not include files. Interface files, I think, are fine for some use cases. Entities dragger. Entities dragger. You get roasted. In laser as well? What have they done? The poor source code. Wait, was it in H? No, CPP. Nah, I'm obviously kidding. They've done great work. They did do great work though. Plasma CPP. Imagine if you could declare things in a sane way like we can in Rust. Would make C++ way better. True. By the way, why are you not using Arch? Why am I not using Arch? How do I answer that? Yes, I don't. Projectile. It's a serious question. Simplicity. Simplicity and security. Not security in the way I don't want to be hacked. Security in the way like I do not trust myself to install Arch and partition everything correctly and not break my Windows install. And I did the installation already like a few months back before I switched to Arch. So I was just trying it out and did a small partition. And I don't wanted to do it myself, that's all. And with Manjaro, it's just plug in, press enter until done, and you have an install. This is where I would make an arch over my head with my hands and say, I use Arch, by the way. Don't clip that. You're probably gonna clip that. Well, if you ever install Gentoo, you're allowed to dance like this. Okay, I'm not gonna open YouTube links on stream, but I will open it in the background. What's... I am hard. Wow. Nice. Also, be sure to post the clips and the pictures in my Discord while you're at it. Okay, recompile. Do the thing. Game context. Game context? Game context. Replace. I should take away the gift comment from you, right? You watched again to dance? I'm gonna watch it after the stream. I wanna fix the errors quickly and wrap it up. So server save. Save.cpp. Then we're gonna do a quick raid. A really quick raid. Score. Score. And it built. Okay. Get status. Restarted renaming stuff to CTF. Push. Ew, error fixing? What do you mean with error fixing? Okay, Twitch search. Ooh, creative coding. What do you think? You want to go for creative coding? Sounds pretty awesome. Or do you want to see Rust plugin writing? I have no idea what plugin, but your choice. Game. Oh, that's the Rust game. Huh. It is. Okay. Then this is where it's at. By the way, working on Streamlink, being able to recognize by itself if it needs to cache more, if the internet can't handle the latency, they can implement that into my tool. Cool. So if you already know how to do that, let me know. Toggle again. Yeah, I hope he does. That way it's already getting used, and if you use it daily, if you're gonna write a tool, write something you use daily. That's another good tip, because if you use it daily, you'll get all the pain points from it, and you can improve on that. Yeah, I'm watching with that tool, and I watched a bit all day long with it. Yeah, I've tried to use it too, but I always have Firefox running. That's why I can't sleep. I always have Firefox running. That's why I just open a tab and mute the tab if I currently can't watch because I have a meeting or something, and then I unmute the tab and watch again. Also, always mute the tab, never mute the stream. I mean, if that's what you like, we could also set up an account there and do a stream for all the unsafe C++ stuff. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Thanks for joining today. Tomorrow we'll probably still do C++. We'll still do Instagip dev. I wanna get going with this. I wanna have a version out by the end of next week. That's the be right back screen. I'm not being right back. I'm ending. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be C++ again and more Teeworlds programming. And on Friday we'll probably just do the Dwarf Fortress. See how it goes. Yeah. Okay, then, like I said, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good night or day or morning or whatever time it is. And we'll see each other tomorrow. Bye. We're raiding someone who does creative coding in Rust. And I will hydrate. See ya.